Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will just share with you the problem that I had with this new gimbal. This is the Weebill 3, and as you can see in front of me, this is the combo set. So it comes with this bag. So this bag can be used to store this gimbal on the top compartment, and the lowest compartment you can put your camera inside. So it's very useful and convenient. I hope to make a separate video reviewing this bag. But today, just want to share with you the problem I had and the solution to the problem. But the second problem that I have with this gimbal, I'm still looking for the answers to that as well. So if you guys know, just let me know in the comment down below. Because to be honest with you, this is my first time to use the gimbal, so I have no experience at all. Okay, so let me just show you very quickly what the problem and what's the solution to the problem. Okay, now I have already set up my camera on the gimbal. Let me just turn on the gimbal. Okay, now I turn on the camera. Yeah, so USB mode connecting to mass storage. So this one is something that you have to bear in mind as well. You have to change the setting, the USB mode to mass storage. Okay, but the problem is here. Check the connected device. As you can see, yeah, that's the problem. I spent about half an hour, searching for tutorials on how to solve this problem, but none is found except the instruction on the Zhiyun website. Okay, so to solve this problem, all you have to do is to turn off your gimbal. Okay, and just for your information, if you cannot find the mass storage, this is where you can find it. It's in the setup, and part 3, USB connection, yeah, mass storage. Make sure mass storage is chosen. Next, go to network. Yes, over here, PC remote function. The first one, yeah, you have to turn it on and make sure PC remote control method is USB. Okay, and that's it. Now let me turn off my camera. Let me turn my gimbal back on. Yeah, it's on now. Let me turn on my camera. Yeah, it's connected. As you can see, you see the word PC over there. Yeah. So now I can use my gimbal with the camera, and especially I can use the recording button. As you can see now, it's red. Yeah, I can stop it using the button on the gimbal. But the problem is, as you can see, when I go to face and eye priority in AF, it's disabled. I cannot turn it back on. And the problem is because the PC remote is on. So I have to turn it off in order to use this feature. If I turn it off, the camera does not connect to the gimbal. Okay guys, so as you can see, the problem is you have to turn on the PC remote on your camera, and that PC remote will disable the face and eye detection feature. I really want to make use of these two features, the record button as well as the face and eye detection feature. But as you can see, I cannot use both features at the same time. So if you found a solution or an alternative way to use these two features, just let me know in the comment down below. I really appreciate that. Okay, that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys soon.